Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm Jason, and today I have a very special guest for you. First time on the show here, Cindy Patrick.
Hi.
She's gonna help go through the new gifts with us coming up here in this new cycle for Home Bank. And I was a little impatient, I already opened one. So, we have our true wireless Bluetooth buds and charging case. So there's multiple different ways you can use these. Phone calls, probably text messages, music, podcasts, roll with it.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open these up. We'll talk about the gift a little bit, and then we'll even talk about how you can get one of these gifts. A charger, not very long charger, but a charger. And you have the wireless earbuds.
Ooh, very nice. I love the color.
Flip top, and they come in 5 different colors.
5 options.
So-
If you could pick one, Jason, which ones would you like the best?
The blue, because I already opened them.
Oh, there you go. That's a great choice.
So, all right, so, oh, they do come out. You want one of
Nice
these?
fit. Yeah, sure. I'll listen to you.
Ooh, connected. I think they might already be connected. Little blue light on there. So let's talk a little bit about these. 4 hours of playtime. You charge these puppies, 4 hours you can let them run for. They have built-in controls, and you charge this case and it charges the earbuds.
Hands-free. You can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Mow the lawn, fold some laundry, anything. You can do anything you want.
How do we go about obtaining one of these gifts, Cindy?
Well, you can visit any of our Home Bank locations and open a brand new checking account, or if you already have an account with Home Bank, you can refer a friend, and if they open an account, they'll get a free gift, and you will too.
Definitely, those are a couple of really good ways. So in order to get one of these accounts open, always feel free to give us a call, stop in and see one of our relationship managers. Definitely just have that conversation. We'll be happy to get you guys placed in the right account and fit for your needs. So if you guys have any questions, always feel free to give us a call or stop by, and have a great day.